Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update cron jobs for scheduled tasks on VPS step by step clearly. To update cron jobs for scheduled tasks on your VPS, start by connecting to your server via SSH. Open a terminal window on your local machine. Type the SSH command followed by your username and the server's IP address. Press enter, and when prompted, enter your password to log in. Once connected, you can list your current cron jobs by typing crontab and pressing enter. This command will display all scheduled tasks for the current user. To edit the cron jobs, enter crontab and press enter. This will open the cron job configuration file in your default text editor. Make your updates as needed. Each line in this file represents a scheduled task, so be sure to follow the cron format. The format includes a schedule along with the command to be executed, such as minute, hour, day of month, and day of week. For example, to run a script every day at 2 a.m., you would write 02 ****/path/ to /your /script.sh. After making your changes, save the file and exit the editor. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the cron tab has been updated. To verify your changes, type crontab again and press enter. Check to ensure that your new cron job appears as expected. If everything looks good, your scheduled tasks are now updated and ready to run. If you need to remove a cron job, simply open the cron tab with crontab, delete the line corresponding to the task, save, and exit. Remember to monitor your cron jobs periodically to ensure they are functioning correctly. Updating cron jobs is an essential skill for managing scheduled tasks effectively on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.